Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to week 5 of our index card art series. If you're not familiar with the series, this is just a weekly word prompt that we use to inspire our art that we create on index cards. And whatever size index card you have is the index card you can use, with the hopes of, at the end of 52 weeks, we will have a mini art collection that we can display, exchange with other fellow creatives who've journeyed with us along the way, or use it to create additional works of art from. So this week's word is explore. The definition of explore is to travel in or through in order to learn about or familiarize oneself with. All right, and so I've went ahead and pulled out, I've just been waiting for this word because I love maps, and I have quite a few vintagey maps, but I wanted to go a little bit bright this week, So I've pulled out some pieces that I wanted to work with. This is from our vintage summer road trip, along with this butterfly. This is a guest check that I've created just randomly, and this is a little piece of map that I found in one of my paper pads. So I'm going to use that, and here's a little tab. I'm going to use that to start. Well, it's going to be a pretty simple process this week. So grab your supplies. Now, if you are new to the channel and you want to continue on with us, or you want to start creating art with us and you want to start back from the beginning, first off, you want to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you can join us and you'll be notified each week as we continue on with our building our mini art collection. But I'll put a playlist card up in the corner so that you can start from the beginning and, get a feel of how you want to do things going forward, and maybe even create from the prompts from previous weeks. All right. And so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and pull out some additional supplies, some glue and whatever else I need for this. And I'll go ahead and create, and I'm going to put some music over this and speed it up a little bit so that you don't have to sit through the whole process. I'm also getting ready to start a class, so while I'm listening to my class, I'll also be creating along with that. So stay tuned and grab your supplies and come on back so we can craft together, all right? All right, my people, so here we have it. We have week number 5, explore. It's done. And I am hoping to get out and explore much of Georgia this spring and summer. My goodness, have we been locked down long enough? This is right on time. I definitely want to keep this out so that I can, so it'll serve as a reminder of the goal that I have set before myself to me and my son, or me and my husband and son, but hubby's usually at work, but for us to get out and explore a little bit more. I think we took for granted that we're here, and that the park is over there, and the next state over there is a cabin retreat type of thing. No more. As soon as this weather gets a little nicer and we have the opportunity to get out and and do so safely, we are definitely going to explore. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put this together. Now, just so you know, what I used here was the Vicky Bouton, what is it called? Creative Effects Iridescent Glaze. And I added a little bit of paint in there, acrylic paint, just so that I could get a tint to it to layer on top of, because it's white, and so it would have blended into the background. So that's what I did there. And then I just took the map page and some stenciled sprays, alcohol inks from Bakers and Crafters, this little foil rub on, and again, this little piece of ephemera from this vintage summer road trip kit. And then I popped that word explore up on the tab there, and the little guest check is in the back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope that you enjoy putting together your own index card art for this week. I hope your mini art collection is coming along. Drop in the comments and let me know how many you have completed thus far, or if you're just starting, I would love to hear which one you want to get started on. Remember, there's weeks 1. So far we have gotten, let's go down memory lane, folks. We've gotten week number 1 was Grace. Week number 2 was Wind. Week number 3 was Soft. Week number 4 was Aligned. And then we have week number 5, which is Explore. So we are moving along. Our little art collection is slowly building, and I'm enjoying the process. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Enjoy yourselves. And until we're back together on YouTube and Patreon, folks, you know the deal. Stay encouraged. Stay blessed. Stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. Ooh, my hands are a mess.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.